In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon in Sellfy from start to finish. First, log into your Sellfy dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Find Marketing, and then select Coupons and Discounts. This is the hub where all your promo codes live, and where you'll create the one we're setting up now. Click Add New Discount and choose Coupon. You'll see a form that controls how your coupon behaves. Let's walk through each field so you set it up the right way the first time. Start with code. This is the exact text your customers will enter at checkout, like Welcome 10. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. Avoid special characters and make sure it reflects the offer so customers instantly understand it. Next, choose the type. You can pick percentage, such as 10%, which scales with the order total and is great for store-wide sales. Or choose fixed amount, like $5 off, which is helpful for encouraging smaller purchases or spotlighting specific products. Think about your goals. Percentage discounts feel bigger on larger orders, while fixed amounts create a clear, predictable savings. Under applies to decide where the coupon should be valid. Select all products if you're running a broad promotion. If you want to highlight certain items, choose specific product or products. You can also exclude items to keep high-margin or limited products out of the offer. This targeting helps you align the discount with your strategy. Set the active period if you want the coupon to run only during a defined window. You can choose a start date and time, an end date and time, or both. If you're not sure yet, you can leave this blank and return later to add dates when your campaign timing is confirmed. In limits, you can control how many total times the coupon can be redeemed and how many times each customer can use it. Setting limits prevents misuse and helps you manage your promotion's budget. The description is an internal note for you and your team. Use it to record the purpose of the coupon or the campaign it supports, so you'll recognize it at a glance later. When everything looks good, click Create Discount or Save to make it active. From there, customers enter the code at checkout, and the discount is applied automatically if the order matches your settings. That's it. You've created a Sellfy coupon that's targeted, time-bound if you need it, and easy for your customers to use.